Let's see Alir get a gutter.
Boom! That one's for you. That was for Jasmine. How you do from the back? Got it. Sweet.
Watch everybody.
This is what not to do, ladies and gentlemen. Nah. It's okay. Try to get the spare, bro. That's all. Pick up the game, son. Go back, kids. Nobody see that sucker. Get a better angle.
Would he get it, ladies and gentlemen?
Careful.
Will he get the spear to win the game? Will he get it? Will he do it?
Oh, man. That's a big one, bro. That was a big pickup, brother. That one almost stood by itself. Nice shot. He got that. He got it. All right, Junior, come on. Let's see a strike. Let's see a strike. Let's end this for strike. You got it. You got 9. Nice shot. Take your time. Concentrate. In an angle or go throw it within that line.
You? Let's see. Got her.
Just go on the line. Follow the line.
For you, Alir, he said. For you.
I think he said for Jasmine. You said for me or for Jasmine?
It's for Alir.
Oh, I don't receive it. That's not for me.
Got it for you.
I don't want to go. Just hold it.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Watch it now. I believe I received.
I got it.
Stop saying boy. You need boy. You gotta see the boy thing.
Gutter. That is not what not to do, gentlemen.
Come on, that's the truth, man. Come on, son. You got stuck on the finger and you said boy.
When I all say boy, I bet I got to
I'm not like that. Unsportsmanlike conduct. That's it. It's coming down now.
Watch him get a gutter again.
Receive it.
Oh, one pin. Oh, close enough.
Deny my face. I got denied. Oh. All right, son. Let's see what you got. Chill out, Jeff. Oh my God. Freaking Anthony. You see, I didn't say it to you, did I? Ah. Nice strike. You picked up your game. It's kind of weak. The ball's light. That's why it's not heavy.
You gotta hit those 2 pins so you can hit that.
Yeah, I know. Skip. Try to get the strike. Or spare. All you gotta do is look. Hit the one in the middle. So it's that angle. Like that. Hit it. So it goes this way. Hit it between those 2. And you get it. Almost.
It's
A little bit over. A little bit over.
Alright, now it's my turn. Okay.
Yo, Derek. You alright? You use my ball?
What a big dummy.
Yeah, I got 100. At least I got 100. See if I can get
Look at the scores. Let's look at the scores, ladies and gentlemen. Junior 96, Alir 100, Anthony
He's breaking away.
123.
He's picking up his spear. That's what's killing us. The spear.
too good.
Middle. Spears are cool. They're bad in this game, man. I should have at least 200.
Yeah, okay.
So it's all good. It's all good. We gotta find out there's one behind it.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's just look at the pins to see what he can do. Just look how bad he is. Okay. That was just luck.
Pick that up. That boy. About time I got that spare junior. Hold on. Get my way, son. Come on, son.
It has to happen now with the league players and even
I know. It's not gonna be last game. Unless they say something.
Oh.
What you got? You pulled it, son?
I gotta finish this game with at least 100.
You got it. You got it. You gotta hit 4. You get 4. You got 100. Hit the halfway mark, son.
I get the spare. For you, yeah? It's for you.
For me?
For you, yeah.
All right. Let's see.
Get the gun.
It's for you, brother.
This guy. The spares. That's a good. You know, you're keeping your game. Pick you up, Anthony. The spares. That's what's keeping your game high. Your score. Look at that. You broke up. Me, what hurt me, the spares. Missing the spare by 1 or 2. That's what's killing me. Got a strike. Strike. The ball's light. That's why. Maybe it's not so heavy. When it's light, it don't hit. This is the last frame. Get the spare. You get one more chance, Junior. You gotta hit this. Try to get the spare.
Nervous.
No, but I'm telling you because you get a chance. The arrow, right? The arrow right next to it. Oh. It's all right. You got 100.
My finger though, like I can't explain it.
It's okay. It happens.
At least I got. Let's see.
It happens to those.
Let's see what I got.
104.
104. That's pretty good. That's the score.
Keep going. 9 again. Chill out with the boys, please. Bad.
What?
You distracted me. You're trying to get me not to get.
What kind of freaking thing is that? The fuck?
Now I want to get a strike.
When you hear this video, you're gonna laugh when I say ball.
Then I'm gonna raise that video. I'm gonna put it on there when I get the 200.
Get a strike. End it off good. Get a strike.
Hopefully, both of them.
Yeah.
Final frame.
I denied again. It's okay.
What a
The
big,
9-man
what a big.
Anthony got this game. 138. Couldn't get the 9s. Couldn't get that spare, man. And I strike. Look at that. 9, 9, 9, 9. A lot of 9s. Ooh, got 150. Wow. 157. You did good, Anthony. You got him good in your game. You picked up. Been practicing, huh?
This is for you again, man. This is for you. Alright?
Alright, come on. I want to see the proof. $160. Nice shot. You got 160, 170?
My last time right here. Then I ended up.
That's your average?
My last time I was here, I got 184.
This is a disgrace. Hey, none of that. It's for fun. It's for fun. We just playing for fun. It's all good. Stress
I
free.
ended off right here. They got for you. Right here, another one for you.
All right, let's see. Get ended for strike. The 9-man strike gift.